Your meter block is finally here. Let's get you set up. Remove the back panel and discard the plastic battery tab. The probes will begin to charge. Let the block charge at least 8 hours. You can also charge the probes with your micro USB cable. The probes only charge when the block is turned off. Now that your block is fully charged, let's talk about the block's buttons. The power button is in the top right-hand corner of the touchpad. The settings button is the little gear in the upper left-hand corner. The directional arrow buttons will let you choose up, down, left, or right. The enter button is the circle in the center of the touchpad. This step is very important. The block will only work on the 2.4 gig version of your Wi-Fi and will automatically select the Wi-Fi your phone is on. So let's go into your phone settings and open up the Wi-Fi. You may see your Wi-Fi twice, once with a 5G at the end. Be sure to pick the non-5G option. Now let's download and open the Meter app. On the welcome page, select Meter Block. Next, you'll see the anatomy of the block itself and of the probes. Next, you'll have to give Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permission for the Meter app to work properly. Also turn on your notifications. With everything checked green, tap Probes Charged. If you've charged the probes 8 hours, tap Yes. When you turn on your meter block, the red light will illuminate, then begin to blink. Let's set up your Wi-Fi connection to the block. Use the circle button on the block to select Use Wi-Fi. On the next screen in the app, your phone will find your block. Tap the Configure Wi-Fi at the bottom. Beside network name, your Wi-Fi network will appear. Type in your Wi-Fi password. There is a maximum of 57 characters, so if your Wi-Fi password is longer, you may have to shorten it in your router settings. Once connected to your Wi-Fi, you're all done setting up the block. On the block screen, you should have check marks next to each probe. The app will show you a few animations on what a cook will look like and how the block technology works. Next, the app will ask you to sign in to the Meter Cloud. This is a great tool to use to track your cooks when you're not at home. You're ready to get cooking. We hope you enjoy your new Meter block.